Hello people, welcome back into this channel, and through this video I would like to show you the way how to call on Google Chat application by iOS or iPhone. So the first thing you have to do is just make sure that you already installed the Google Chat application. If you haven't installed it yet, you just need to visit your app store and just got the applications into your iPhone. And now if you already installed it, you just need to visit the app library, and in the search button you just need to type a chat, and after you found it, you just need to go click it to open it. If you can see on this Google Chat applications, there will be no calls button, there will be no calls icon that you can choose, or you can visit, or you can use here. So to make a call, just need to decide whom do you want to call first. So let's say I would like to call my friends here, so you just need to go click the room chat, and after you open the room chat, you will see like two icon on the top right corner. So you just need to go click this square or the camera icon, I could say. So you just need to go click it, and there will be like two options to choose. If you want to have a phone call, you just need to go click this chat audio, but then if you want to have a video call, you just need to go click this chat video. So that is the way how to make a call on a Google Chat, guys. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you, so don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel, and I will see you for the next video.